Start the ball game. To Commissioner Juan. Balance for two. Good. That's third over. Localos, fast breaks in my prep. Well, in the ball, fast tennis, 2 points. Four loose score in favor of Stack. 6 points for Stack. Marwan Vergara, 4 game, good. Well, on the side, still Localos. Nelly. 2 points. You captain. Number 0. Specialist. Bang. 3. Galing. Score 6
Papasok pa ako sa left.
Left o sa
Turnover by Ilocano. Stop the ball. 12. Good pass. Only by Ilocanos. Number 0 on the ball. Go. Good basket. Short stab. It's good for 2. Ilocanos 8 points. On the other side, number 18 for side jumper with rebound in the front. Goal. Number 2 for Malaya. Goal. Great. Side 3 by Paul, no good. Carlos on the run. Candelaria on the pass break advantage shot for good. Once you rebound number 1, bring it back to Candelaria. 2 points for Ilocanos. Very good. First going out for the break, the good for Ilocanos. What a pass! 2 points by Ilocanos. Number 0. Dance. On the rebound, pass break, 1 shot. No good. Shot by number 8. Stop on the deadlock.
Ganda ng video dito ah.
Ball 3. No good. Third on the rebound. Lead MVP. Number 0. On the 2 on the pass break. 3 on 3 pass break.
Hanggang dyan sa ano? Denver. Ay,
Rebound by Candelaria, step back.
dami niyo gusto sa atin ngayon.
Hindi, tapos ito.
Pero naman,
Yeah. 2 points. Foul on the setup. Foul. Foul. Rebound. Rolling dance on the side. Pass. There. Stop. Side out.
kulong-kulungan siya.
Side. Side out. Hands. Assist. On the baseline. Ilocanos on the right, on pass break, number 1, shot break. Here, bro.
Mag-video din muna ako.
More jumper is good. Points, 3 stacks. Two points by Ilocanos.
Buhay ka na.
Fight out on 3. Good. MVP candidate. Good. Forward pass, going by Brown. Manlulio, nagkakaroon ng Lamilo. Manluna for Cruz. Go tayo.
Bro, guard ba? Gabi ako ba na no?
Paul. Assist on the middle.
Lock of them.
Everybody stand by the game. Number 34, Green, the shooter. Yes, sir. The left. Good. Over by the Brothers. Yes, you got it. Number 3, the pass break. We have the back pass. Number 2. Good. We're going again. Field, one pass break. Score is 33 Two points to the goal. Go. All in five, it's the storm. Number 30, Now we prep for a lot. If you got one pass break, give it one take. Scoring machine on the foul by the captain. Very slow game.
Yung kung dati naman yun.
Subscribe. 10 to go. Layout. Defensive player of the league. Come on, we're gonna block shot. Number 14, on the post, we move. Yes, sir. Lefty, 2 points. Lokal worker, ibang meron right on the side. We got the metal ball shoes, another assist on the middle. Triple double watch for Pergard. Number 0. Ilocano Curry for 3. No good. Captain for 2 on the fast break. That's not the chances. So we go to the number 1. Lay up. Rebound by Mr. Rebound what? 5 rebounds on the whole game. 4 assists. 2 points when he's up. Number 1. 4 on the man fast break. Nothing after 2 points. Assist by Brown. Good up. Number 1. What's the player is overtime the ball. Number 7. Another turnover. Stop break. Then, so the move on the layup, assist the ball. Back shot. Assist in the middle. Suspect, 2-point shot, no good. Rebound to Lodi. It's a turnover. This, bad shot, Pampanga, 2 points, Ilocano. Falls, back in the middle to the lefty, big bandits of the Ilocano, stolen by Dennis. Big man, on the ground, double on the loose. Back on the rebound, towards the rebound, layup, and walk. 5 out, 2 points, and a free. Goes the shot. Good. Back in the middle. Assist by Pell. Paul to the back, 2 points. Assist number 7 by Pell. And to the middle. Assist the ball back to the team. Three. Number 0, Candidato for Team Morales, score 49-40. 43-49. 6 points lead only. Tulukan on the side. Brings back to the middle. Running time, 20 seconds and running. Mandulio, side kick, defensive rebound, assist by Tulukan. Assist. Alan versus Weber, 8 assists on the game. 51-53 is the score. 21 seconds, 7 seconds from the way. Assist, 5 out, 1 middle. It's no good. 14 seconds. 6.8, pair on the go. Running. Looking for the assist. Give it back to pair for 2. Looking for the assist again. 3 seconds, 2 seconds. No good. Mr. Ferguson is 8 assists and 6 rebounds and 7 points. On the watch. Start the ball game. Closer is good. 2 points. The captain goes to fast break. Start back. So that's 3-1. Foul. Ranullo, open three. Pass break number 1. Oh, sorry, 4. Grab. You pass service, for your machine, unlefty is blocked by the lefty man. Captain, right here to the pass break. Assist by ball. Good. Lefty-handed shot. Good. Rebound by Mr. Regard. Rebound number 7. Assist by Paul. Cross it on good.
Bili ka ng tubig po.
2 points by Paga. Score is 10-4. See captain go to the middle. Stop, correct. First shot, no good. Isaac, 1 point. 52-51 is the score. 52-51 is favor of Isaac. Scoring on the side. Penetrating the ball at teardrop. Fair on the rebound. Tolucan, 2 points. Fair rebound with 8 rebounds and 8 assists. Martin Roca. Chevy, stop ball. Right on. It's the top of the feet. We're good. Same goal. Stop ball. Ball in the back. Left rebound. Stop. No good. Pass break. Pass short. Wow. Substitution rep. Then back in the ball game. Number 4. Bringing back to Borger on the side. Ball on the first half is good. Number 9 for Trevor Guard, 1 shy. Double hit assist. Between the legs. Assist to Pagao. middle. Goes to the middle. Assist. Yes, denied. Going to the lefty. Ball to Tukan on the move. Long shot. No good. Rebound by Greg. Fast break. Assist to Dennis. Down by Sorry, over. Stolen by Ilumat. Pagal for three. Oh, good. Fair. For three. No good. Scoring machine, no good. Guard. Assist number 10. We have it, guys. Kandidat for three. No good rebound by Greg. Assist again. Possible assist is 11 assists for Greg. 10 rebounds, 11 assists for Greg. 12 rebounds, 12 assists, and 12 rebounds for Greg. So Luka 40 points, assists. Today, 11 and 1. One shot for Dennis. Greg Martin is short 2 points to have the first triple double of the league. Kandidat down the middle. Assist to Pagang. Ilocano Curry for 3. Yes, sir. Sorry. Long shot. Long two. Well, looking to get this double-digit points. Well, inside. Buloy. Goes up. Assist goes to the left. Kandidat niya for short two. Good. Ilocano Curry on the side. Yes, oh! Well, get this first triple double. Assist. Assist man, possible assist man of the league. Then on the move, teardrop. No good. Rebound, scoring machine. He's looking on the fast break. He goes for it. And yeah, 2 points. His first triple double. Back on the rebound. Ilocano Curry to the scoring machine. No problem. Buloy, first break. Still no good. Teardrop. Short. Rebound to the lefty. Good pass. 3 on the fast break. It's a layup. Back shot. It's good. We have 17 seconds remaining in the ball game. Just run the clock. Number 1 on the teardrop. Scoring machine. Fair. Ilocano Saga with 19 points, 8 rebounds, and 3 assists. Vergara scoring machine with 16 points. And Ilocano Curry with 15 points. Trevor Guard, 8 points, 10 rebounds, and 11 assists. 3 points high of triple double. Last quarter of the ball game, most by 2-point lead by the Stars. Foul ball. Ilocano Curry to the scoring machine. Violation. Backward violation. And across the line. Maluna. Pass to Fair. Stolen by the scoring machine. 2 points. Fair. Going for the middle. Assist to Manulio. Fade away shot, 2 points, another assist for Fair. Ilocano Curry. Going down, passing the scoring machine to the side. Short is good, not good. Top shot by Rolling. Fair below. Possible assist. Conducan is good. Another assist. Fair. Still short 2 points for triple double. Close to the line. Assist to the scoring machine. Okay, away. Good. And 1. Stars. Hold the shot for Raga. Rebound and lefty. Pass to Fair. It's turnover. Oh, back up. A short step back in the middle is good. We have a 10 back at 72. 8 minutes remaining. Ball. Pass to the lefty. Gallo. Fair on the middle for 3. No good. Offensive rebound by Paul. Assist to Balinan for a short 2 is good. 2-point lead by the Stars. Number 2 in the middle. Pass to the Ilocano Curry. Short 2. No problem. Fair for positive 2-point shot. Still no good. He is now at the double-double stage. Ilocano Curry 2 points, walang problema. Canyon on the middle, assist. No good, offensive rebound by Gallo. Possible 2 point for pair. Yeah. 1 point shy of triple double. Double from Mr. Bergard. First time in the league. Offensive rebound by Ilocano Curry. Short 2. Walang problema. Ilocano will take a lead for 2 points. They have a foul with Ilocanos. Substitution. Tied up 0-8. First card for Janice Scott, and we have him to obtain the first triple double of FFPL 2. Then up 7-8, 16 remaining. It's a battle of pride and glory. Ilocano Curry almost faded. Don't look on the side. The long hair assassin. Yeah. The back is open. The triple double machine and Ilocano Curry are very sharp. Kanila na back speed move. No good. Mr. Triple Double for the blue book. Touchdown! Coach,
Balik na, tapos na.
first triple double of the league.
Nakadalawang tumutin kasi.
5:25 of the game. 5
Anak ko ba yun?
Inside. Pass the scoring machine. Pangalaman ng fake. Scoring machine. Double. Rebound in the second. Julio. Middle. Pass. The leg. Rebound on the right. Julio short 2 inside. 6-point lead. Pass the ball inside. Speed move. And a 3-drop like this. Rebound by Prep. Assist again, Prep. Assist and rebound. In 1 sequence. 17 assists by Mr. Prep. Running for the assist man of the league. Stolen by Balunan. Pinalik pa for the assist. Oh my. Denied again by the assist by Mr. Balunan. Balunan is really purposely missing the shots. First shot is through. Second. Reflection. Rebound. Tulungan. Tagaw. Assist to Manolio to point. Stolen by Baluna. Time shot. Yes. Stolen by Mr. Pep. Assist to Baluna. Good.
Nice assist.
94-78. 3 minutes remaining. Number 14 for 2. Good. Stolen by Ilocano. Curry. Foul for the short blue is good. Sorry, machine. Still not serving. The connection is good. So people double. Sorry, again. You can go play. Ilocano, Curry, 2 points again. 2 points by the Mr. Triple Double. Sorry, the goal to fast break. Stolen by Cali. Ranulio on the 3 possible as the second play grab. Out of bounds. Regarding goal. Ilocano. Curry. Sorry, foul.
10 minutes pa.